Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm taking a look at the HEX Ranger DSLR Sling. This is in Glacier Camo. We like this brand. We also like this bag a lot. So if you carry cameras along with, you have lenses, you have memory cards, you have really anything that you need with your camera gear, you can actually use these Velcro separators for your camera bodies and your lenses. And then you have a mesh pocket on the top as well that has a high visibility mesh so you can see what's going on. And in the very front has very nice lining, so you can do quite a long lens in front if you want. It goes all the way to the end of this bag here. I like these zippers. The zippers are well made, as well as all the stitching around all the zippers up here, because you have quite a few of them. And then on the back you have this extremely well lined pocket. This is for something very nice, like another lens or the camera itself. Then you have a strap right here. You can hold the entire case. And then this right here is a waterproof cover for the entire bag. So if you happen to be going out somewhere and filming or taking pictures where there's a little bit of water or mist, you can use that bag to cover everything. And then of course you have the Sling shoulder strap, which is one of the best in the industry for this type of design. And this right here is extremely well made. This clip also is well made, and I've seen these out in the wild, this exact bag, before on a trip, so you know that they're quite popular and they're well made. This is from HEX, and it's the Ranger DSLR Sling Bag in Glacier Camo. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.